This is Brian Gambardella with MarineMax of Huntington. Today we're on the Scout 357 LXF. This boat is powered by triple 400 Mercury V10 Verados. This is an insane boat. This boat will get up to 72 miles per hour. Crazy fast. So here at our transom, got a nice fold-out seat. Very plush upholstery. Nice Scout finish, diamond stitching. Very, very comfortable. Best place on the boat to sit when you're running 72 miles an hour. One large live well here with 2 access doors. 4 rod holders on the transom. 2 more just forward. You got a nice heavy duty transom door here. See how thick that is. Really nice. With a nice bolster. So this is right above the knees, very comfortable. Fishing, you can lean on it. Excellent. Let's get into our mechanical locker and see what's going on here. So we've got our 3 fuel filters, sea strainers, through hulls, our dive ladders stored here. Very clean rigging, A-side finish on the fiberglass down here with a nice rubber staining area. Well done. This boat does have the automatic flush system for the engines. So you hook up your fresh water, you push the button, get all your gear off the boat, get the people off the boat, and by the time you're done doing that, the engines are done flushing themselves, disconnect, go to the car. Very nice. Fender clips. One of my favorite things. Makes coming to the dock easy. So let's look behind our helm here. We've got a rocket launcher above that folds down with the push of a button. You've got an actuator here. We got a nice seating area, 2 adults side by side. Seatkeeper 3. Fresh and raw water washdowns. Makes cleaning the deck nice and easy. Port side, excellent, large boarding door. So your dive ladder will hook into these here, hang over the side, and you get in and out real easily. Nice heavy duty hardware, excellent finishes on the Scout. Under our helm seat, we got easy access garbage. And when we're in fishing mode, drink holders, prep station. This is non-slip. We've got 3 seats side by side at the helm here. Mercury joystick control. We've got a vent for heat and AC. Again, another excellent viewpoint, 360 degrees, not really obstructed at all. Very nice. It's walking up on the port side to the bow. Got nice drainable storage here. Radio control. Rod holders throughout the perimeter. An electrically actuated table. This goes up to act as a table or all the way down to the floor. If you want to treat it for fishing, that's fine. Nice storage up here. Right now our shore power is located in there. These are very comfortable lounge seats. This is very comfortable. Nice thick foam here on the upholstery. Rises up to mid-back. Grab handles, so on any rough days, you got something to grab onto. You got non-skid on the top side throughout the whole boat, so someone does need to walk up and around. Here at our lounge seating, you got 2 cup holders where the bases are cut out to integrate to fit cups, or dry storage. Put your phone in here. And you got a nice soft armrest. Really nice touch by Scout. Starboard side on the helm, we got rod storage here. Now this boat is equipped with taco outriggers, so we are ready to go fishing. Let's take a look down below in the cabin. Stepping down into our cabin, we got a nice sleeping arrangement. Portholes on the port and starboard side. Sink and bathroom area with the isotherm refrigerator. All of our electronic controls. Fusion radio. So if you're interested in this Scout 357 LXF, contact us at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.